at the gun range. First time. Mom, you ready?
I don't know.
Kill them Mello.
Where the instructors at?
Right there.
Oh, I'm gonna get you on my own. Damn.
We're all gonna be together, Mom.
Okay.
Thank you. Get it. To be completely honest.
Thank you for that information. I'll be looking around like, where my instructors?
These are actually cute.
You can see that wing.
There's 15 and 16 ones on here. Okay, so believe it or not, the bigger gun was so much more easier to shoot than the little gun. My sister ended up making us a fire breakfast. This is andouille sausage, peppers and onions, bacon, some good old scrimps. We call them scrimps. It's like we call them shrimp. Her special Cajun cream sauce, and it was so fire. Look at it. Her fluffy cheese eggs and her cheesy grits. And she put the shrimp, the green onions, the andouille sausage, and that special Cajun sauce over the grits. And then we got the bacon and the cheese eggs on the side. And it was so fire. My sisters and I were up till like 3 a.m. and we were leaving town very soon, and we had a lot of food left in the refrigerator. So we ended up, I know this looks nasty, but it was fire. We ended up mixing a lot of the stuff together from the refrigerator and made breakfast burritos from it. We had eggs in there, sausage, black beans, peppers, onions, a whole bunch of stuff. A lot of stuff from our taco bar that we had, and that's in the last vlog. Go ahead and watch that last vlog. And we ended up putting them breakfast burritos with some grits, and they were super duper fire. This was later in the day on Mother's Day. We're getting this meat ready for the grill. My dad seasoned up the chicken and the steaks. And happy Mother's Day to all you beautiful mothers out there. I'm not late because Mother's Day is every day. I started the charcuterie boards. This was my very first board. I made 2 of them this day, and it was my first time making them, and I really enjoyed it. It was so creative, fun, and I was just so focused on them because I'm so artsy. It's Mother's Day. I'm carefree. I got this drink in my cup.
Drought and famine.
And no, I'm not wearing any gloves because this is strictly for family. However, if I were to make a board for someone else, I would definitely use gloves.
Natural disasters. My baby is